Hi there, it's Gaylan. I'm back again representing Unity Stamp Companies, one of their design team members. Today I have a Bible journal page. I'm using art. I'm going to use a stamped panel, and I'm going to show fussy cutting and also Copic coloring with Copic markers. I have this stamp kit by Unity called My Heart Trusts. I'm using my Creative Bible. I have assorted Copic markers, and in this Bible it has wonderful journal areas on the sides of the pages for written Bible journaling or for adding art. I like to do that for added inspiration. I like to add art with either drawing or stamping. Unity has a lot of inspirational kinds of art and sentiments to use. In this case, I'm using this girl, and she has rosaries. It's really a pretty stamp. I am stamped with alcohol-friendly ink. I like to use Gina K Designs amalgam ink, or Simon Says Stamp Intense Black ink for alcohol markers. I have lots of videos on how I like to do Copic marker coloring, but I tend to go with a lighter shade first, then come in with darker shade and back again, and sometimes 2 or 3 shades, colors of the same shade family or color family. So I stamped on a Nina 80-pound solar white cardstock cover, and trimmed that to a workable piece of paper here for coloring. So if you use Copic markers or some other kinds of mediums directly onto the thin Bible pages, it will bleed through to the back of the page. But if you're doing a second step, which is just stamping and coloring and doing all your artwork on a separate piece of paper and cut it out and add it to your page, you still get the pretty art for your journaling, but it doesn't bleed through to the back of the page. It's just what I found that works for me. And I just really like to get creative with different mediums and watercolors and markers and other types of just art mediums. And you can do it just by adding extra cardstock. It doesn't really, with the 80-pound cover, it doesn't really add too much bulk to the Bible page. So then after I finished adding color to her, I cut her out. It's called fussy cutting. I know that Unity sometimes with their images, they have cut files. So if you have an electronic cutting machine and they have a cut file, you can use that method for cutting her out, but I just used scissors. And to adhere her, I added flat double-sided tape, and then I just placed her right onto the page. Now for the sentiment, I stamped it out in black ink, and I trimmed the strips with scissors. And then I add the multimedia matte glue to the back of each strip and just added that onto the border of this Bible page. You can get real creative. You can add all kinds of different colors in the background. I just chose to use the girl and the sentiment. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to like and follow me. Have a great day.